many things. In fact, if you have seen that the Lakadong turmeric that we have, if you're seeing the pavilion that we've created specifically for Lakadong and the kind of stress we're putting on it, these are clear areas of focus and strength that we feel we have. And that's the reason why, as a strategy, the state government and the agriculture department is focusing on high-value products, which are, the quantity may not be that high, but the price of the products are higher. So we feel we need to go in a niche kind of a strategy where we look at the demand and look at the value of the product. And therefore, products like Lakadong are very high-value products, and that's the kind of strategy we're going for. The point is that this is basically kind of bringing everybody together. We have been doing multiple programs for multiple stakeholders at multiple levels. We have been working in mission mode for the farmers so that the productivity goes up. We've been working through the Prime program with entrepreneurs so that the training can be given, value addition can be done, packaging can be done. We've been working with cooperative societies so that collectivization improves. We've been focusing on the Focus program, which gives kind of seed money and cash absolutely at the grassroots level to the farmers. So all these multiple programs now are kind of bringing this whole thing together in the form of this food show, where through this we are able to connect to the international market, the regional market, the national market, and at the same time we are also able to bring in all the technology providers who will be here to guide and to support and help our farmers and our entrepreneurs. And also we are able to get the buyers who would be interested in buying the products. So you can see that there are many partners and technology people who have come here, many buyers who have come here, and obviously a lot of our farmers also are here. So this is a place where everybody comes together. Of course, do it through many ways. Food is a very broad subject. Find you talking about specific items that that our people cook. That can be of course brought in by ensuring that restaurants start serving those foods when the tourists come in. Hotels should be asked to serve those foods. We can also make those foods available in different parts of the world. So it's a strategy that has to be looked into. But really, that's not really the way we look at just looking at food as just a dish. We're looking at the entire agriculture sector as a whole to see how we can promote it. The idea is to bring in as many people as possible. The idea is to open it up, broaden it to the entire Northeast. And as we see that we are running short of space, we make it even bigger. But the idea really is to ensure that we have all the Northeast coming in. We want this to be a Northeast food show. We want this to be the event when it comes to agriculture and food processing and packaging in the years to come. And this should be a calendar event. Also an event where global players come in. So yes, if there is lesser space for our local farmers, then definitely we'll do whatever it takes to expand it. Inquiry, definitely, we have ordered an inquiry into this. But I think the other part of the story which one has to realize is that that nothing is perfect. I've said this again and again, these games are happening after many years, and the MSOA has tried its best. Yes, there were shortcomings, there's no doubt about it, but I think it's more important to learn from the mistakes that were made, ensure that the people who are responsible for it, necessary steps are taken. But I think in the larger picture, it's more important to move forward, move on, and request that let not this one incident overshadow the entire importance of the games. We have to realize that 2,600 participants have participated. We have to realize that it's happening for the 4th time in 50 years. I think these are the important parts, and I think press should realize all of those aspects also and focus on the positive story also. And yes, we learn from the negative, we improve things and ensure that in the future it doesn't happen.